Welcome back. This is Nabi. In this tutorial, we will be exploring how you can build a simple calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is our calculator, simple calculator. This simple calculator can be used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Our calculator contains the following components. It contains mathematical operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It contains digits and decimals from 0 up to 9 and decimal. It contains a display screen to display results and mathematical expression. This is here. It is responsible for displaying mathematical expressions. It contains a clear screen to clear all mathematical values. When I write this one, this button is responsible for clearing the screen. It also contains calculate button or equal, responsible for evaluating mathematical expression and returning the result. For example, when I take 6 times 2 is equal to 12. So, in this project, we are going to develop a calculator that will have the following features. Our calculator will perform basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. 8 plus 5 will give us 13. It will also perform decimal operations. When I take 24, for example 3 times 9, it will display the output of this one. Our calculator will also display infinity if we try to divide by 0. In mathematics, we know that when you take a number and divide it by 0, it gives you infinity. It is impossible or mathematical error. For instance, when I take 8 over 0, it will display infinity, as you see. So another component that our calculator have, in case of invalid expression, no result will be displayed. Invalid expressions such as when I take 8 plus, for example 1. Invalid expression, I take 2 mathematical operators the same, plus 1. When I take this button, it will not display the output. You see? Our calculator contains also a clear screen. This button C, which will be used to clear display screen anytime you want. For example, it is responsible for clearing the mathematical values displayed in the screen. So, to make our calculator look like this, we have to use 3 languages, which are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML codes will help us to add structure to this calculator to look like this. So, to make looking beautiful and amazing, we have to apply CSS codes. CSS will control presentation, adding styling, such as adding these colors and adding layout to our calculator to make it beautiful and user friendly. To add these colors, these hover effects, these colors, these border look like this, it's CSS. So to make our calculator functional, when we use HTML and CSS only, it will look like this only. But for our calculator to press 8, to display 8 on the display screen, it requires JavaScript codes to make it functional. JavaScript will help us to add functionality to our calculator to perform a task. For example, to perform this mathematical calculation, it requires JavaScript. Another role of JavaScript is controlling the behavior of different elements. When I press 7, 7 will be displayed in the screen. Without the help of JavaScript, when I press 7, no results will be displayed in the display screen. But when we use JavaScript, then the results will be displayed and the functionality will be applied. So let's get started by first opening HTML codes, CSS codes and JavaScript codes.